Hello friends! In this video, I will showcase an original rib stitch that boasts a lovely relief and abundant volume, accentuated by beautiful vertical decorative paths. The texture is rich, achieved through a combination of 3 techniques. 1. Subtracting 5 loops from 1. 2. Knitting 2 loops together with a slope to the left and right. And 3. Executing a double-centered decrease on the wrong side, so the middle stitch is in front on the right side. I will walk you through each step of the knitting process in detail. The pattern comprises 6 stitches and 4 rows. We will begin with multiple sets of 6 stitches, plus 3 for symmetry, and 2 additional edge stitches. Row 1 right side. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 1. Pull up 5 loops from 1 stitch 2 rows down. And then knit 1. Repeat this sequence, purl 3, knit 1, pull up 5 loops from 1 stitch 2 rows down, and knit 1 again. Conclude the row with 3 purl stitches for symmetry. Row 2 wrong side. Knit 3 stitches. Purl 1, slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front, and perform a double-centered decrease. Slip 1 as if to knit. Knit 2 stitches together, and pass the slipped stitch over the knitted stitches. Then slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front and purl 1. Repeat this sequence, knit 3 stitches, purl 1, slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front, and make a double-centered decrease. Slip 1 stitch with the yarn in front and purl 1. Conclude the row with 3 knit stitches for symmetry. Row 3 right side, purl 3 stitches. Knit 2 stitches together with a slope to the right. Knit 1. And then knit 2 stitches together with a slope to the left. Repeat this sequence, purl 3 stitches, knit 2 together with a slope to the right, knit 1, and then knit 2 together with a slope to the left. Conclude the row with 3 purl stitches for symmetry. Row 4 wrong side. Knit 3 stitches. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat, knit 3. Purl 3. Conclude the row with 3 knit stitches for symmetry. Repeat these 4 rows until you reach your desired length. This will produce a unique, volumetric knitted fabric with a special texture. This pattern is ideal for crafting scarves, hats, capes, and cardigans. You can adjust the number of divider purl stitches based on your project. These stitches can also be used to make necessary decreases. I hope you find this information helpful for your future projects, and I highly encourage you to give it a try. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Not Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're seeking something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm certain you'll love. Thank you ever so much for being part of the audience that watches my channel. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.